Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're diving into what is possibly the best geometric blanket you can get your hands on right now. The Viviland Geometry Queen Size Blanket. From design to comfort, we'll cover it all in the next 5 minutes. Let's get started. Right off the bat, the Viviland blanket makes a strong first impression with its eye-catching gray geometric design. It brings a modern, stylish touch to your bedding, blending form with function. If you're someone who appreciates visual appeal as much as comfort, this design stands out in a market saturated with plain or overly traditional styles. Let's talk dimensions and fit. This queen-size blanket measures 90 by 90 inches, which gives it plenty of coverage for a queen-sized bed. It also comes in other sizes like throw, twin, and king, giving you flexible options depending on your setup. But the 90 by 90 option is particularly versatile. It works not just on beds but also as a large couch throw or extra blanket for chilly movie nights. The material is a highlight, 100% microfiber flannel. That's where the softness and lightweight feel come into play. It has a plush, cozy surface that feels great against the skin, but at the same time, it's not heavy or stuffy. The 280 GSM weight hits that sweet spot, substantial enough to keep you warm but breathable enough to use all year round. Whether it's summer or winter, this blanket adapts without making you sweat or shiver. Another plus? It's double-sided. You get the same soft, warm texture on both sides, which adds to the comfort and makes it feel a little more premium. Stitching is tight and well done, reinforcing the blanket's durability. The seams hold up after multiple uses and washes, and speaking of washes, it's incredibly easy to care for. You can throw it in the machine on a gentle cycle with cold water, tumble dry it on low, and it comes out just as fluffy. No shrinkage, no fading, and importantly, no shedding or pilling, which can ruin a blanket's feel over time. Now here's a feature that's more functional than you might expect: it comes bagged. That might sound like a small thing, but it makes this blanket easier to store, gift, or even travel with. It's one of those thoughtful additions that shows attention to user experience. Let's talk price. There are multiple color and size options, and prices start as low as around $23 to $28, depending on which variant you choose. That's excellent value for something that ticks so many boxes in terms of quality, comfort, and aesthetic. And if you're looking for gift ideas, this blanket is a strong contender. Whether it's for her or him, it's neutral, practical, and stylish enough to please most people. And because it's so easy to maintain, you don't have to worry about the recipient dealing with high-maintenance fabric. So here's the bottom line. If you're after a soft, lightweight, stylish, and easy care blanket that won't break the bank, the Viviland Geometry Queen Size Blanket is one of the best options on the market right now. The comfort is real, the look is sharp, and the durability holds up over time. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you liked this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and in-depth product reviews every week. See you in the next one.